so now I'm presenting the entire system, how to use it for the air compress. So first of all, this is the compress machine. And after you compress the machine, and actually here we have one special function which you can connect it with the Bluetooth and Internet. It can control it by your phone as well. And when the air comes out, and first you will come with this the filter, and we actually even have the filter here. You can see the pressures. There is a pressure gauge as well. After the filter, and we are coming to this air tank. All the air will come to here for the storage. And when you have to use it for the second stage, and you have another filter here. After the filter come out from the air tank, and you can either use it for another branch from this way, or you can continue to come and filter from here. And this is the air. This one is the air dryer. So the air dryer, the function is to cooling down of the temperature of the air. After this, and you can continue to filter with another gauge here, another filter. Okay, we actually have the dew point monitors. The dew point monitor can check the temperatures as well. And here is the flow meter. After flow meter, and you come here with another absorption dryers. And we have the two absorption dryers here. And this is the absorption dryer controller. After this, you have another two dry filter. After the absorption dryers, and it will come to the filter. After this air filter and the air, you can already use it directly. This air is actually, you can use it in the food as well. After the absorption dryers, and the air can already use it directly, but if you don't want to use it, you can actually store it inside of the air tank. And this is already the final stage. And from here, and you can actually use it directly from the air tank.